To remove or replace the front cover of the column, first remove the TouchMat, the right rear cover, the left rear cover, and separate the column assembly from the rest of the unit. Detach the 2 gold Torx head screws for the column front cover. Squeeze the top side edges of the cover to help release the column front cover, and pull the column front cover off of the column. To replace the front cover for the column, first make sure to push the power supply motherboard connector through its access hole. Press the cover into place. Replace the 2 gold Torx head screws to secure the front cover of the column to the column.